check this out. This is a way for you to very easily add the cost to replace a roof. Let's say it's $15,000 and you'll need to replace that roof in 7 years. You just bought a home and you think the water heater it would replace for about $850, and you're going to also have to replace that water heater in about 5 years. It's playing out as well. I know that I need to put up or save $2,300 to be able to have enough money to be able to make those repairs. I need to save about almost $200 a month. So we can also add maintenance in that. So let's say that water heater, you're going to need to hire someone to come in and inspect it. So it's going to cost you $150 a year to have those inspections performed. So you're going to need to add about another 14 bucks, 12 bucks. So now you're looking at about 2,400 bucks. So almost $2,500 per year. You're going to need to save about $2,500 a year to be able to make that happen. You're welcome to play with this spreadsheet. It's open to whoever has this link.